This Bugatti Atlantic is incredible.
It's seen better days, but it's special.
What are you asking for it?
Make me an offer.
5,000? Here's the cash, as promised.
All right, let me count it. It's all here. The car's yours.
Great, let's take a look. I can't believe it's finally mine.
Last bundle, all there.
Thank you, it's perfect. This is the one.
It's seen better days.
The heart is still strong.
What's your offer?
20,000, final. Hey, I need that chassis part from the blue sedan.
Got it. I'll get the crane over there.
Make sure the chains are tight.
They're secure, lifting now.
Good, bring it down here. All right, let's get this chain secured. Steady now. There we go, all set. Okay, let's get this chassis moved. Come on, move, you hunk of metal. That's it, just a bit more. Almost there. It's finally stripped bare. The progress is incredible. I'm so proud of this. So flawless. The finish is perfect. Aligning it perfectly now. There, the elegance is returning.